How many sleepless nights have you had just checking stacking listings on multiple stores? Does it blow your mind this opportunity exists? Bro, like I've had so many things like, I mean, from very, very beginning, like I just outsourced a lot of tasks. Like this is the most important thing, just outsourcing, like ruthlessly outsourcing is very important. So I don't know, like I've done a lot of things. Like I used to work till like 6, 7 a.m. back in Nottingham when I was like in my grind stage. So I actually moved out of my parents' house north of London. I moved 2 hours up north because it's way cheaper for warehousing and for housing. So I could get cheaper employees and pay them £10 an hour rather than paying them 15. So I did that and I literally just grinded Etsy so much. And then even when I've been in Dubai as well, I've just been grinding Etsy, like constantly. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.